All right, number 12, the last problem for the Unit 2 review is use division to rewrite the quotient with remainder in rational form. I'm going to do this one synthetic division instead of long division. So the original problem is x to the third minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 2. So we'll start with the divisor being negative 2, which is the opposite of x plus 2, the solution for that. And then all your terms, so x to the third is 1. Negative 4x squared, negative 4 goes in there. For 2x you put 2. And for negative 3, obviously you still put negative 3 in. And the steps. So step 1 is bring down the first term, which is 1. And then you multiply negative 2 times 1 to get negative 2. And you add. So negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. And then you multiply again. So negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. Add those two. 2 plus 12 is 14. And negative 2 times 14 is negative 28. Negative 3 plus negative 28 is negative 31. So now let's rewrite those terms with the variables that may go with them. And I'll change colors to show that. So we're 1 less than x to the third. So the 1 is acting as x squared. The negative 6 is negative 6x. 14 stays plus 14. And then your remainder is plus negative 31 over x plus 2. There's synthetic division for number 12. And that answer is looking like, I wrote mine just a little bit differently, it looks like letter C.